I'm very into orange reds right now. Very. So I am very excited that I'm going to be sharing with you about a brand that is just about to launch on the shelves at Credo that is doing an amazing job with reds. Not just reds, but the thing about green beauty that I've forever been kind of apologizing for is that, we've used botanicals, all plant-based ingredients that have not been able to deliver in the longevity of wear. And so a lot of times I hesitate to use a bold shade from a green beauty brand because I know it's not going to stick around. And although sometimes they fade beautifully, if I need a bold, bright, or deep shade on the red carpet or for a long photo shoot, I can't always guarantee that the color is going to stay true and in place. So this brand that I'm about to tell you about is doing it right. They have been incorporating what they call performance actives into their products that are helping with long wear, with that delicious silky feeling. I love it. So what I'm wearing right now, I've been wearing a lot this week, and everybody who sees me says, "Oh, is that such and such brand, color that I love?" I'm like, no, why would I be wearing that brand? It's not a clean beauty brand. But no one can believe that this is a clean beauty brand because A, they haven't seen me touch up, and B, it's so bold. So the brand is, I'm going to show you what I have on my skin first. It's from a line called Saint. Saint makes this great primer. Historically, primers in green beauty have been just a bunch of oils, which is wonderful if your skin is dry, which mine is, but it also would make foundation generally not stick around that long. So their primer is aloe vera based, and it's such a great formula. It really does grip the foundation. I'm number 2 in this. And I go so lightly on foundation anyway, except where I have scarring and sun damage. So I generally, when I can avoid it, don't put foundation in the center of the forehead. Don't put it on the nose. I put it around the base of the nose. And I have scarring and stuff on the sides of my face and on my chin. I have, active blemishes. So I'll put foundation there. They also made really great concealers. For almost every shade, they do a skin tone correcting and then an under eye that has more peachiness to it, which I love. So, okay, on my lips. I love these reds so much. This is what I'm wearing right now, straight up orange. This is an orangey red. Here we have a true red. And then on the far end is a very pinky blue red. So I beg you to revisit. If you were told that you're a warm red and that's all you can wear is an orange red, I would say, as you get older or you change your hair color or you used to wear your hair cut really tight to your head and now you have a big amount of hair. So the balance of color around your face is probably different. Skin tone changes a bit as we get older. Our color palette that we choose to wear changes. So I kind of want you to try all of them or just the one that you're most attracted to, whether or not you think it's your color or not. What's the most attractive to you? So this is what I have on right now. It's called Las Vegas. And then because I like to play and most makeup artists mix colors, I'm going to try the very pinky one. This is called Moscow. Oh, I like that. I shouldn't have touched my lips together so you could have seen a very obvious difference. Let's see. Here's the orange red again. Can you see the difference? I mean, that's kind of cool, the two different lips, but let's mix. This is the pinky one. Oh, it's such a good blend. Okay, and then, on my cheeks, I want to show you this because it's such a nice, easy shade to wear. This is their Living Coral, just a touch underneath cheekbones. And then on my eyes, I have another one of their blush. This is called Pink Sunset, and it has a lot of gold glittery pieces in it, which is really nice on the eyelids. It's a good color balance, right? So anyway, which red are you? The answer is you're probably all of them to some degree. Some ratio of these is going to look amazing on you. Just see what you're most attracted to. Put that on. If it doesn't look right, blot it a little bit, stand back. Is that right? No? Okay, let me try adding another color to it. That's the way it works. That's the way makeup artists have been doing it for years. Happy red wearing.